This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Kelly Rodano. Great central location for this nicely priced annual rental, not furnished. On the second floor, this unit has new impact windows, nicely renovated kitchen and bathrooms, newer washer and dryer for your convenience, and a great screened-in porch which allows you to spread out a bit more. Community offers a beautiful pool too. Brevard County offers an abundance of recreational activities with its 72 miles of beaches, river, the Space Center, 250 square miles of protected nature preserves, Loggerhead Turtle breeding areas, lots of restaurants, shops and groceries right close. For more information, review the details below or contact Kelly Rodano at 321-308-0378.